So if you're facing this issue that your OnePlus phone SIM card is not detected, then stay with us because in this video we're going to solve this issue. So maybe when you're about to make a call, you encounter this problem. What you're going to do is just lock your phone, wait for a while, and then unlock it again. Now after that, if you think the network signal is weak where you are, just turn on airplane mode, again wait for a while, and then turn it off again. After that, if you still face no SIM or SIM not detected issue, you can turn on mobile data on your phone to see if the SIM not detection problem is a false alarm or due to some minor software glitch. If you still have the problem, go to your SIM settings and check if the SIM is disabled on your phone. If that's the issue, enable it and then see if that works now. Still having the same problem? Well, after that, it's recommended that you can give your phone a restart. So go ahead and restart your phone. Still having the same problem? Well, now is the best time to check if your SIM is actually inserted to the right way or the right slot or not. Go ahead and eject your SIM. Take it off and clean it properly with an eraser or just a soft piece of cloth. Just to be sure that it doesn't get any dirt on it that might interfere with the SIM's function. So, your SIM not detecting issue is supposed to be solved after all this process. For those who are still unable to detect the SIM, go ahead and reset network settings. From settings, to additional settings, to backup and reset, to reset phone, and then select reset network settings. Put down your screen lock password if you have any, and then tap on reset network settings. Now hopefully your problem will be solved after that. Now just remember one thing, if you're using an old SIM for a long time, that might create SIM detection and connection problem as well. If that's true in your case, then you can go for a SIM replacement from your provider. So which process actually solved your problem? Let us know in the comment section. We'll appreciate it. Thank you for watching.